Cooking with Gloria. Today I want to share with you the most delicious and easiest beef birria recipe that you have ever tasted. But you know something? First things first. My apron is on, my hands are clean, and I am ready to show you my ingredients. Ingredients. I have salt, apple vinegar, Baileys, allspice, whole cloves, ginger, thyme, marjoram, cinnamon stick, garlic cloves, Mexican oregano, and cumin. These are the spices. Of course, on the description box, you're gonna have the measurements. And here I have Guajillo chili pads, half an onion, morita chili pads, tomatoes, pasilla chili pads, and of course the beef. Here I have short beef and beef chunks. You decide what kind of meat you want, but it has to be beef. So this is the most delicious and easiest recipe for beef birria. So let's get started and let's make this at home and enjoy it with our families. I am ready with the tomatoes and the onion. We're gonna go ahead and rinse them very good. This is completely done. I have my pasilla chili pods and my Guajillo chili pods that I have removed all the seeds from inside. Look at this, nice and clean. And now I am ready to add everything in here, and let's go to the stove. I have a pot with 4 cups of boiling water, and I'm going to add all the ingredients in here except the spices. Okay, I want to show you the meat. I have short ribs and I have beef, chunks of beef, and I'm adding some salt, a little bit at a time. I'm going to cover everything and incorporate the salt completely into the meat. And now everything is nice and boiling. The tomatoes are really soft. And you know something? We are ready to blend everything. I'm adding everything to my blender cup. I have all my spices here, including the garlic. And I'm going to add everything to the blender. We are going to add our apple vinegar, our salt, and we're going to blend it for 5 minutes. We are not going to put it through a sifter. That's why we need to blend it very good. This is amazing. I do not need to add any more salt. Now I'm ready to just add everything in here to the meat. Mix it completely. Make sure that the meat is nice and soaked in the delicious sauce. Look at this. Really nice and covered. Now I am ready to cover it with plastic wrap. Put it in the refrigerator for 24 hours. Let's let it rest and marinate. My friends, the meat has been marinated for 24 hours, this birria is going to come out amazing. If you are a working mother, you know something, there is no excuses. You add it to your slow cooker and it's gonna cook for about 8 hours while you are working. When you get home, the food is ready. The birria is ready to enjoy. So let's get started. And here I have my slow cooker. I'm gonna start adding everything in here, even the sauce. I wanna make sure that all this is completely covered with the delicious sauce. The consomme will taste amazing. So I'm adding everything in here. All the sauce is gonna go in there. Look at this, nice and covered with the delicious sauce. I'm adding 3 Baileys, and now I'm ready to put the timer. I'm gonna put 6 hours. Every slow cooker is different. Try 6 hours or try 8. And here I have my cilantro, lemons, and the onion, and of course tortillas. I'm gonna go ahead and take it to the sink, and I'm gonna rinse the veggies out completely, one by one, especially the cilantro. Now that this is done, I'm gonna go ahead and start slicing my lemons. But I wanna show you, they have no seeds, they're nice and juicy, and they are organic. So now I'm just gonna have all this ready, put it in a plate, continue with my onion. I'm gonna slice it and then dice it very small, just like that, so that it will incorporate completely with the cilantro. The cilantro, I'm gonna take the little stems off, just a little bit off, and then I'm gonna start chopping away until I have completely finished. This is completely done. Let's go see how the beef birria is doing. Look at this. This is completely done. My home smells amazing. You could see the bone. You could see the meat. The meat is almost falling apart. Let me show you how soft it is. Look at this. You could really pull it apart. Now I am ready to prepare these delicious Quesadilla Tacos. These tacos come out delicious, amazing. I'm gonna dip my tortilla into a little bit of the oils, the render oils that the meat left, and I'm gonna add cheese. I'm gonna add the meat, and I'm just gonna let them toast just a little bit from the outside until you see all the cheese oozing out. All the delicious flavors are in here. My mouth is watering because I can't wait to add this Quesadilla Tacos into my consomme. Look at this. Be generous with your cheese. Be generous with your meat. And look at this. They are completely done. Let me open one so you can see how amazing this looks from the inside. And I am sure that you know that this looks amazing, and I'm sure it's gonna taste delicious. Look at this. Like I said, be generous. I'm gonna let them toast just a little bit from the outside. And now I am ready to start adding the cilantro, the onion, and I am going to enjoy these tacos, dipping them into the consomme. I just can't wait to start digging in and eating them. I'll see you in a bit. With these delicious Quesadilla Tacos. You know something? I made this delicious beef birria in this slow cooker. There's no excuses. You could put it at night, and in the morning it is ready. When your family's getting up, you could really smell those delicious smells of the birria. Well, you know something? I want to stop talking because this is the way you need to eat your quesadilla tacos. Let me show you. I have the consomme here, all the broth with cilantro, onion, and some king taco salsa. And let me show you how I enjoy these delicious and amazing quesadilla tacos. Just like that, and then I dip it into the consomme, and I am ready to enjoy. I wish you were here to taste it with me. Excuse me. Amazing. The consomme is so delicious. Nice and thick. Nice. It has all the flavors. You know something? I really don't want to keep talking. I just want to dip my quesadilla taco and enjoy it. I hope, my friends, you give it a try. You make it at home. Remember, when you cook at home and you cook with lots of love, everything comes out amazing. And these quesadilla tacos are delicious. If you liked and loved my recipe, I invite you to subscribe, leave me a thumbs up, share this video on social media with your friends, with your relatives, so Cooking with Gloria keeps growing. Don't forget to push that notification bell. And if you did, leave it activated. So every time I make a delicious recipe, yes, you're going to be notified. Before I say I see you soon, I wish you nothing but the best. Peace and love. And of course, I don't know if I should stay enjoying this delicious birria consomme or my delicious quesadilla tacos. See you on my next delicious recipe. Like, subscribe, and share. See you soon. Bye-bye.